Hello guys, hello guys, hello guys. Happy lunch time. Kakain na kami ng lunch. Kasi alas 11:40 pagad lang. Pero tapos na kami magpakain ng mga alaga namin. So kami naman ang kakain. May da kami. Marasa na sura.
Nasaan man ako?
Ayan, palibot yan, palibot. Huwag kang mag-alala. Kasama, ayan, sige.
Hello guys, let's eat lunch. Okay, vegetable and soup. Very good food. Okay, thank you guys.
Wala kami fried rice. Yan. Tapos, naniloto ko na gulay. Achoo! Sabi ka kasama, nasaan man ako? Kaya paikot-ikot lang yan. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Kain muna kami.
Hello, Miss
Bye.
Kay. Good morning.